Hey guys, just a quickie channel update. So we've taken a temporary pause in our Porsche restoration project in order that I could spend some time to get this car ready for the upcoming Sema show here in Las Vegas. We attended Sema back in 2015 and have been fortunate enough to be invited back for this year's show. We're working with Gold Eagle out of Chicago, Illinois. Gold Eagle, a fantastic company to work with. They have an incredible product line. A lot of you guys are probably familiar with the 303 detailing products. You'll see their presence quite a bit at the Mk1 auto auctions. And then also STA-BIL, the fuel stabilizer product, which all us classic car guys definitely depend on. So if you'd like to see this car or possibly even bump into me, please stop by the booth and say hello. We'll be located at the 303 STA-BIL booth, located in the central hall, just behind the Ford motor display. After the show, we'll be right back on track with our restoration project. I appreciate your patience, and we'll see you at Sema.